Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to make this simple yet stylish neck warmer or keyhole scarf. It's really easy and quick to make. It's suitable for beginners. The pattern I used is basic but with a really rich texture. The list of material I used can be found in the description box below. So let's get started. This neck warmer is adaptable to any size. For my size, I have 29 centimeter, 11 inches in neck diameter, and 11 centimeter 4 inches in height from under chin to collarbone. So with this yarn and crochet hook, I will make 14 chains, which will give me an approximate width of 11 centimeter or 4 inches. So we're going to start with the slip knot. And we're going to chain 14. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to finish my 14 chains and I will meet you there. I made my 14 chains. Now we're going to work in the back side of our chain. This is the front side. We're going to turn. This is the back side. See those little bars? We're going to work in these bars here. So in the second chain from the hook, this is the first. In the second, we are going to make a double crochet. Like so. We skip one chain, we go in the next, and we're going to make a single crochet. In the same chain, we're going to make a double crochet. We skip one chain, we go in the next, and we make a single crochet. And in the same chain, we're going to make a double crochet. And we're going to continue in this fashion through all this row. We skip one, single crochet and double crochet in the next. I will finish this row and I will meet you there. I am almost at the end. I still have 2 more chains, so I skip one, and in the last one I'm going to make a single crochet. And that's how we always finish our row, with a single crochet. That's what we should have. Now we turn our work. We chain 1. This chain 1 is our single crochet. So in the same stitch where we chain here, we're going to make a double crochet. We skip a chain, and in the next we're going to make a single crochet, and in the same stitch we're going to make a double crochet. We skip one chain. In the next we're going to make a single crochet, and in the same stitch a double crochet. This is the pattern that we're going to follow from now on until you reach the desired length that you need. I made 97 rows, but you can stop before or continue forward if you like. So I'm going to follow this pattern for 97 rows and I will meet you there. I finished my row. Now we're gonna take the measurement of my scarf. I have here 80 centimeter, 31.5 inches long, and the width is 9.5 centimeter, 3.5 inches. Now let's sew one of the end of the scarf by folding it back on itself so as to create the space to insert the other end in this way. You can choose this side, the other side is not important because the pattern is the same on both sides. So we fold using the measure of the width of the scarf plus 1 centimeter or ½ inch for the seam. So I have here, I folded my hand, and I have here the width was 3.5. I'm gonna leave 4 inches, was 9.5 centimeter. I'm gonna leave 10, almost 11 centimeter on this side. I'm gonna grab my needle and I will meet you there. I have my yarn and needle ready. If you want to, you can put a stitch marker on both sides so it's not going to move. So we're going to start, I'm going to start here from the side. To secure this part. And I'm going to go back. And now we just don't pass through the other side, so it will be invisible. We are going to sew our 2 layers in this way. And we do this through the end. I'm gonna finish my end and I will meet you there. I finished to sew my 2 layers, so that's how it looks like. I weave the end on the other side as well. And now we can assemble our scarf together. And that's what you should have it. I hope you liked this video. If it's so, please give me a thumbs up. It will make a huge difference. See you next time. Bye.